Hi guys! Welcome to the Wei's video channel. This video mainly introduces 8 types of a series LED welding of free strip lights. The most prominent feature of this series of light strips is that separating cables from light bodies and available cutting in any length, reconnecting without soldering, and the light is soft. Each model has its own characteristics. MH01A Recessed LED strip light, MH02A Wooden shelf light, MH03A LED glass shelf light, MH04A LED corner strip light, MH05A Surface mounting strip light, MH06A Wooden shelf light, MH07A LED glass shelf light, MH08A Recessed LED strip light. Each style is different, so the installation location and applicable scenarios are also different. This series of light strips is suitable for lighting spaces such as cabinets, wardrobes, and wine cabinets. Welcome to ask free samples for testing purposes.